Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to share with you some amazing secrets about Vaseline, something we all have at home or can easily buy at a low cost. What can we do with Vaseline? 1. First, as you saw in the video, let's make a lip gloss similar to expensive ones. All you need is Vaseline and some colored eyeshadow. You can choose any shade you like, and it looks stunning, doesn't it? 2. Next, we'll make a long-lasting, shiny liquid highlighter. You'll need some powder highlighter and Vaseline. And voila! Your shiny liquid highlighter is ready. Super glowing and sparkly. Try it out and let me know the results in the comments. I'm curious. 3. Now let's make an eyebrow filler using Vaseline. You'll need Vaseline and an eyebrow palette that matches your brow color. It's super simple to make, as you can see. 4. Here's a little secret for your nails. We all hate the messy look when applying nail polish, right? Well, Vaseline can prevent that. And here you have perfect, mess-free nail polish. 5. The secret to voluminous lashes is Vaseline. I love this one, and I highly recommend trying it. Vaseline not only adds volume to your lashes, but also nourishes, thickens, and lengthens them. As a result, everyone will want to know the secret behind your lashes. The application is super simple. Even if you don't have an eyelash curler, you can apply it with a clean mascara wand. 6. Finally, the last Vaseline trick. I've tried this myself, and the result is incredible. Melt some Vaseline, add your favorite perfume, and mix it well. Let it freeze, and you'll have a scented Vaseline that lasts all day. Trust me, you'll be so satisfied. You'll thank me later. I'd love for you to try all these tips because I've tested them, and the results were fantastic. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.